In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Trello workspace private or public. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing projects solo, adjusting the visibility of your workspace is a handy feature. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to visit Trello's website. Open up your browser and head to Trello.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the homepage with options like logging in or signing up. Since we want to access your existing workspace, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you're a frequent Trello user, you'll probably know the login process quite well. You have the option to log in using your email address, or if you find it more convenient, you can access your account using your Google credentials. Go ahead and choose your preferred method and enter your login details. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Trello dashboard. This is where all your boards are displayed. From here, scroll down until you get to the workspace section. You might have multiple workspaces listed, especially if you're part of several teams or projects. Identify the workspace you want to change the visibility settings for. Once you've found the right workspace, it's time to dive into the settings. Click on Settings next to your chosen workspace. This action will take you directly to your workspace settings page, where you'll be able to customize various options related to your workspace. On the settings page, scroll through the list of options until you spot the one that lets you adjust the privacy settings. You'll see a tab labeled Change. Clicking this will give you the opportunity to toggle between public and private settings for your workspace. If you decide to make your workspace public, click on the Public option. Doing this will make your workspace accessible to anyone with the link. It's a great feature if you're working on open projects and want to invite external collaborators or showcase your work broadly. On the other hand, if privacy is a bigger concern and you want to keep your workspace confined to assigned members only, click on Private. This option ensures that only those you specifically invite can access the workspace, keeping your project details secure and confidential. And just like that, with a couple of clicks, you've successfully changed the privacy settings of your Trello workspace. It's a simple process, but makes a world of difference in how you manage and share your projects. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and leave any questions in the comments below. Happy organizing with Trello.